Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this superb Ford B-Max 1 litre turbo EcoBoost Titanium. Now this vehicle has currently done 55,409 miles and it's finished in the colour frozen white. Now it does come with 6 previous service stamps in the service book. It's a very practical small family vehicle which also looks very stylish. It sits very nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle throughout the day. You also have power folding door mirrors which fold in automatically when you lock and unlock the vehicle. Your boot here, you do have 318 litres of boot space. There is also a false boot floor which you can lift up to increase your storage and make the boot more practical. Taking a look to the rear here, you do have rear sliding doors that make access to the rear seats super easy. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Taking a look inside here up front, you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel, your cloth front seats with the contrasting white stitching. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat. Your multifunction steering wheel here with controls for the infotainment system, as well as controls for your cruise control on the right. In the dashboard you have your Sony infotainment system. You do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively you can connect your own source of audio. There's USB connectivity, auxiliary input, as well as Bluetooth connectivity as well. You can also access your Bluetooth telephone menu here for safely making hands-free phone calls while on the go. It's a very straightforward system to use. Underneath the system you'll find your air conditioning, which does include heated front and rear windscreens. You've got your 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary input there, and your 5-speed manual gear selector in the centre.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.